Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download price history in CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out in the world of cryptocurrency. Analyzing past data is critical, especially if you want to understand how prices move over time. By following these steps, you can access valuable historical data that can help inform your investment decisions. Plan entry and exit points, or simply build a better understanding of market behavior. First, you'll need to navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com to visit the site. CoinMarketCap is a reliable source for tracking the market prices of cryptocurrencies, providing a wide range of data to help you make informed decisions. This includes not just prices, but also volume, market capitalization, and other metrics that give context to price movements. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, the next step is to select the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in. You'll find a search bar at the top of the page. Here you can type the name of the coin you're looking for, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, which is especially useful if you already know exactly what asset you want to analyze. Once you've entered the name, hit enter and you'll be redirected to the coin's dedicated page, where you'll see an overview of its market performance, including charts and key statistics. Now, look for a 3 lines icon, often referred to as a hamburger menu, located near the top of the page. This icon is usually the gateway to additional options and features, offering you a more comprehensive view of the coin's specifications and history beyond what's shown by default. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and take a moment to scan the available options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Download Price History ERV. Select this option. The CSV format is a simple file format widely used for storing tabular data, such as spreadsheets or databases, which makes it perfect for analyzing data using software like Excel or Google Sheets. This is especially helpful if you like to sort data, create charts, or run your own calculations. When you click on the download link, a prompt will typically appear asking you where you'd like to save the file on your device. Choose a convenient location, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for crypto data, to ensure you can easily find the file later on. Hit save and your download should begin immediately, usually taking just a few seconds. This downloaded CSV file will contain a detailed price history for the chosen cryptocurrency, which includes daily data entries such as the open, high, low, close prices, along with the trading volume and market cap for each day. Having this detailed historical data at your fingertips allows you to conduct deeper analysis, identify patterns, compare different time periods, or backtest trading strategies using real historical information. And there you have it. Downloading price history from CoinMarketCap is as simple as that. With these steps, you now have the ability to delve deeper into market trends and make more informed investment decisions. So if you're interested in a particular coin or just want to build your own database of crypto market prices, you now know exactly where to start and how to get the data you need.